we're here at GW Martin to find out why they have chosen Filtermist mist extraction. But Stuart, before we get into that, can you give us a little background on yourself and GW Martin?
Yeah, GW Martin have been in business since 1959. We're a family business, and we built our factory here in 1967, so it's been here for quite a few years. It's seen quite a lot of production. We had a factory running right the way throughout the 70s with a lot of cam auto machines, which we updated in the early 80s and moved into CNC machines. So we run precision manufacturing in a number of different sectors.
So can you talk us through a few of them sectors, because then the viewers at home will get to know sort of some of the parts you do here?
Well, we like to keep it quite diverse, to be honest, Tom. I mean, we work in the medical sector, we work in vacuum filtration, quite a lot of other commercial sectors, and we also work in the defence sector.
Now, that must bring some quite exotic materials through your door, which obviously will create problems with mist, and for your staff, that's never good. So why did you choose the Filtermist extraction systems over others on the market?
Well, I mentioned before, back in the day, we had a pretty oily factory. So when we were running in the 70s, this was a very different environment. Over the last 10 years, we've had quite a big program of reinvesting in the business. We've bought a lot of new machines, and we've updated and very much changed the sort of business and the sort of workshop that we have here. So as part of that, we put in new lighting, we put in new machines, we put in even solar panels on the brand new roof that we put in last year. What we didn't want was the traditional 1970s oily workshop. So it was pretty critical to us to make sure that we did something to deal with any mist, any oil that came out of the machines, and we put in a system that was very good at handling that.
Now, talk me through the install of these machines, because obviously you've got to disrupt your production. So how flawless was it for the guys at Filtermist to come in, check the machines were viable for the system and get it installed?
Well, yeah, the installation is quite interesting. A lot of the manufacturers come ready-made. The machines come in with either with some filtration or whatever we put into the package. The installs traditionally are brilliant. The teams come in and roll. It's amazing how quickly the machines come in. And what we've done with Filtermist is we've actually retrofitted a lot of their units. We're very happy with the units that we've got from Filtermist, and we've chosen them, particularly on the machine that we've got here, the Mazak machine that came in just 4 months ago. We wanted a Filtermist unit to be installed on that. So we asked Filtermist to come in, and they came in within a couple of weeks of the machine being installed, and very quickly and very thoroughly put in the new unit we've got on the machine.
And talk me through maintenance, because I know there's other filter extraction systems on the market that take quite a lot of preventative maintenance plus upkeep. But how simple are these to use once they're installed on your machine?
Well, that's a critical thing, and we've explored a few different options, to be honest. We've been looking at different options for filter units, but we've had mixed results with other suppliers. What we found with the Filtermist, and from experience we've had with some other units that they installed on other machines of ours, was it was actually very easy. It was a key requirement for us to make sure it was easy. We wanted to make sure that the units worked every day, worked first time, and were easy to maintain. And we've actually found the install to be very thorough, and the maintenance for the guys here to maintain, and also the service package that we get from Filtermist to be very easy to run.
And just before we hear from Lydia from Filtermist, just talk me through the smoke test.
The smoke, well, it's quite an interesting thing. We hadn't seen them done before with some of our other installs, but when we had the most recent Filtermist units put in, the chap came in and had a smoke generating unit and was able to demonstrate how quickly the Filtermist unit cleared the smoke. They used a special smoke inside the machine, how quickly that cleared the air inside the machine.
I've been talking to one of your product engineers who said it was 37 seconds it took to clear a whole machine, which is just breathtaking. So thank you for your time today, Stuart. So we're now going to hear from Lydia from Filtermist about some of the technical details and aspects that go into using these units. So Lydia, tell us why every company should use a mist extraction system.
Okay, so if you've got a CNC machine which is using coolant or neat oil, then that's creating a mist when the coolant is sprayed at high pressure and high speed. That mist can be very dangerous if you breathe it in. It can cause a fire hazard, and it's nasty, it's in the air, you can taste it, and it's actually a legal requirement to get rid of it. So COSH, Control of Substances, Hazardous to Health regulations require employers to protect their employees from exposure to hazardous substances. So the HSE actually recommends putting an LED system on every single CNC machine to make sure that that mist is removed effectively.
Because what gets me is there's a lot of people out there who, because you don't see what it does, they don't think there's a point in having them. And for your workforce who are breathing that in,
yeah.
Now obviously these mist extraction units can be put on any type of machine. which is seen here. So is that something that differentiates you from others on the market?
Absolutely. I mean, we'll say that you can actually fit out your whole factory with Filtermist. So this factory here, for example, you can see Filtermist units on Citizen Mayani machines, on Mazak, on a Lynx machine supplied by Mills CNC, a DN Solutions machine. So really, they can be retrofitted to most types of machine tools. We'll work with them, and we do a range of different sizes and airflows to cope with all different types of applications and extraction requirements.
Now, are you seeing a lot more companies coming round to mist extraction and seeing the benefits for not just themselves, but for everybody working for them?
Absolutely. I mean, it's part of their moral duty, really, to look after their employees. So yes, they've got a legal obligation, but obviously if you've got a choice of working somewhere nice and clean like GW Martin, or a factory that's got mist hanging in the air and it smells and it's horrible, what are you going to choose? It's a no-brainer, isn't it? You're going to choose that nice, clean, modern workshop.
Now, we've all been there, haven't we, where you're walking down the factory and your feet are sticking to the floor, everything you touch is covered in oil and grease, but like you said, seen here at GW Martin, it's spotless.
Absolutely. And I mean, I'm an office worker. I don't, obviously, I sit behind a computer for 9 hours a day. If my computer was chugging out smoke and fume, I'd soon have something to say about it. So really, our shop floor workers, who are the crux of the UK manufacturing industry, really should expect to work in nice, clean environments.
Now, just before we finish, can you just give us a little more on the HSE requirements for having these, because that's come into play now, hasn't it? It is a legal requirement that people should have them.
It's been a legal requirement since around 1988, I believe, that COSH came in, but the HSE have really been clamping down over the last few years. They've done a number of metalworking fluid inspection programs because they're going into workshops and finding that people just aren't using mist extraction, and it is really important. So that's why they've had these inspection programs to check that. And once you have got an LEV system fitted to your machine, then it's also part of COSH that you need to have it, keep it in good, clean working order. So obviously keep it serviced. You wouldn't drive your car and not have your car serviced, and also have it regularly tested. So LEV testing once every 14 months, depending on the application, is also a legal requirement, part of COSH. And we've got teams of engineers all around the UK that can deliver this for clients. So customers don't need to think about it, just sign it over to us and we'll look after the whole thing for you.
And I like what we heard from Stuart before is there's other mist extraction units out there on the market, but it's how simple these are to keep clean and keep running. There's no preventative maintenance. They can be fit to any sort of machine.
Absolutely, it's dead simple. And I mean, we've been kind of criticised by some of our competitors saying it's old technology, but it's technology that works. It's been proven to be working for 55 years, so you wouldn't put a square wheel on a bicycle, so why change something that isn't working? We do product improvements, and we're always trying to continuously improve and offer our customers. Obviously the monitors are a relatively new introduction. We're working on some new innovations this year which are going to be coming to market, so we are constantly improving, but the basic technology works. And we've got that many installations around the country and around the world. In fact, we sell into 60 different countries worldwide. It's proven, it works, it's a no-brainer.